Did you know schools across Florida are taking steps to become more green?
Students get to get outdoors, get out the classroom, get hands-on experience.
Sheena Chin-Greene shares how this program is helping shape Florida's future.
The Florida Green School Designation Program is a voluntary initiative of the Florida Department of Environmental Protection that recognizes Florida's primary and secondary schools who make the voluntary initiative to protect and conserve Florida's natural resources. Being designated as a green school benefits the students, the teachers, in addition to the community at large. Schools can also consider looking at their faucets and fixtures that they have throughout their restrooms as well as in the kitchen areas and switching those to low-flow faucets. They also have developed a comprehensive agricultural program in which they incorporate their students. Students here learn about hydroponic planting. Students have an opportunity to learn about composting. It is amazing for the students to participate. Students get to get outdoors, get out the classroom, get hands-on experience. Students also learn about gardening through raised gardening beds. In addition, from a teacher's perspective, every student learns differently, and you'd be surprised those students that may be quiet in a classroom that actually shine bright when you bring them outside and get them in hands-on engagement and in activities. The Florida Green School Designation, our overarching goal and hope is that we're going to make a difference, and not just for today, but for the future of the state of Florida through our young children that we have participating. I personally believe if we can reach the youngest students that we can, they're the ones who is going to drive all of us adults to make the change and be sustainable in that change and be the voices of power and reasons to let everyone know why we love the state of Florida, why we get the tourists that come to Florida, and that we want to keep all our great beauty for the generations to come.